Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can install Project Infinity X ROM, which is based on Android 16 on your Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So let's get started. Okay, so before we do this, keep in mind that all the data on the phone will be erased. So if you have anything important on the phone, better back it up. And also before we do this, you need to have your phone's bootloader unlocked and also have installed TWRP recovery. If you don't know how to install TWRP recovery, I have made a video on how to do it. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. So yeah, once you install TWRP recovery, you can come back here. Okay, so first up, let's get the ROM zip file. So head over to the link in the description down below and you will be taken to this page. So this is the Project Infinity X ROM and it is based on Android 16. As you can see, it says GApps variant. So this ROM comes with GApps, so you don't need to install Google Apps separately. And again, here is the change log and everything. So to download the ROM zip file, just click on the download button over here and the download will start. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it just to save some time. So that is all you need to install this ROM, just the ROM zip file. Even the GApps is also included with the ROM. So yeah, let's copy this zip file over to our phone's SD card. Let me connect my phone. Okay, I have connected my phone. I'm just gonna put the ROM zip file in the root of the SD card. So yeah, now I wait for the file to copy. Okay, so once the ROM zip file is copied, we need to flash it. So to flash it, we need to boot the phone into TWRP recovery mode. Leave your phone connected to your PC and let's head over to the phone. Okay, so to boot the phone into recovery mode, you need to keep your phone connected to your PC and then you need to press and hold the power button and the volume down button. And as soon as the screen goes black, you need to switch your fingers to the volume up button. So yeah, now immediately switch to volume up and power button. Keep holding them until you see the TWRP logo. Okay, so once the phone is in TWRP recovery, you can disconnect your phone. Let me also remove the cable. Okay, so first up you need to tap on wipe, advanced wipe. Select Dalvik ART cache, cache, metadata, metadata, internal storage, and then swipe to wipe. Once that is done, you need to tap on back, go back again. This time choose format data, type in the word yes, and then hit the tick mark over here. Okay, once that is done, go back, go to the TWRP recovery home screen, tap on reboot, tap on recovery. Now I wait for the phone to boot back into the recovery mode. Okay, so once your phone is back in TWRP recovery mode, you need to tap on install. Now we need to browse to where you have stored the ROM zip file. So mine is in the root of the SD card, so I'm gonna choose SD card, tap OK, scroll down, and here is my ROM zip file. Just tap on that and then swipe to confirm the flash. Now we need to wait until the ROM is finished flashing. Okay, so once the flashing is complete, you need to go back to the TWRP recovery home screen, tap on reboot, tap on recovery. Now again the phone will boot back into the TWRP recovery. And press the power button on the bootloader screen. Okay, now tap on wipe, advanced wipe. Select Dalvik /ART cache, cache, metadata, data, internal storage, and then swipe to wipe. It's okay if you get an error. Now go back again. This time tap on format data, type in the word yes and tap on the tick mark over here, and that is it. We are done. Now we can boot into the ROM. So just tap on reboot system, and now the first boot will take some time, so be patient. Okay, now we need to wait until the phone will boot into the ROM. Okay, so the ROM has finished booting. So let me just quickly set this up. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Project Infinity X ROM, and let me show you the Android version. As you can see, this ROM also has a lot of built-in features. That is very good. And one thing what I like about this ROM is you can actually get strong integrity right out of the box. So right when you install the ROM, you just need to come over here to this spoofing page over here and then tap on update play integrity fix, and that is it. You will literally get all the 3 tick marks. Basically what I'm saying is you will pass the strong integrity in the play integrity API checker app. So that means you can easily use your payment apps, your banking apps without any issue. So let me show you the Android version over here. As you can see, Android version, it's 16 over here, and this ROM is really good. As you can see, it gives all the specs of your phone, and yeah, the maintainer is Tilt RGB. So Tilt RGB, whoever you are, thank you for the ROM, man. And yeah, so this is the Android 16 ROM. Let me tap on it. Yeah, as you can see, so we have installed Android 16 on the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So yeah guys, I think that is it for this video. Why is it not going back? Oh, look at the new notification, like all the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth buttons and everything. We got also Dolby Atmos built in. This ROM has some really nice features. We also got game space, launch boost, smart memory management, loading priority, cache management. Okay, so yeah guys, this is the Project Infinity X Android 16 ROM. So if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.